So you've seen the for sale signs pop up everywhere in Windsor Essex, but what is really happening behind the scenes? Prices crashing? Is this the time to buy or sell? In this video, we are breaking down the real data for July 2025 compiled by the Weaker and what it means for sellers, buyers, investors, and first-time home buyers. Let's get behind the truth of this trend minus the hype. First off, let's start with the facts. In July 2025, the average home price in Windsor Essex was $582,133. That is up by 0.6% compared to last year. Prices did not crash. They have definitely stopped skyrocketing, which in a way is good. Sales are up 6.6% from last July, with 569 homes sold. While inventory jumped by 11%, this gives buyer more breathing space. The homes sat on the market a bit longer, with 19 days on average compared to 14 days last year. That is your clue that we're slowly moving into the balanced market, not a frenzy. And that's a win-win for everyone if you play it smart. Dear sellers, the market is not what it is in 2021. You can still sell strong though, especially in the range of 500 to 600,000. But you cannot just toss up a listing and expect 10 offers by dinner. With active listings now at 2,163 and more homes coming to the market, you are facing real competition. So here is what you need to do. Price right from day one. Buyers now have options. If you've missed the pricing part of it, you can always go to the drawing board and price right. Invest in staging and pro marketing. That average time on the market is rising for a reason. So present your property right. Know your segment. If you're in the 700 plus zone, expect longer waits and more negotiation. For the buyers, this is your window. Buyers, take a breath. After years of pressure, you finally have more inventory and less competition. The average sale to list ratio dipped to 102.6%. This means that you don't have to offer way over asking price like 2022. This is huge. And with 3.8 months of inventory, this is your time to shop correctly, compare neighborhoods, and negotiate. Here's a checklist, a quick checklist for you. Get pre-approved. Do not miss this step. You don't want to shop blindly. Focus on the homes that have been listed 20 days or more. That is where the deals are hiding. Understand that prices may still dip slightly in the short term, but we don't know what the long term looks like. However, Windsor Real Estate remains a wealth builder. You can't go wrong. First-time home buyers, don't sleep on this market. Listen carefully. I know affordability has been a struggle, but July numbers shows some real opportunities for first-time buyers. The townhouses and the apartments, they are softening right now. An average townhouse price is $386,500. The median apartment price, on the other hand, is $395,000. So, sales volume in this segment are down by 40%, which means leverage is in your hands. With inventory rising every time and the sellers getting motivated, you can be assured that you will find something that meets your needs. So, if you are a renter thinking of buying your first home, this is your time. And I mean it. It is your time. Tap into the options of under 450 properties, negotiate incentives, and you can even negotiate repairs and closing costs out. Investors, you play it smart. You are an investor and you're not here for the hype, but for the return on investment. And that's what the July data is whispering. The townhouses and apartments have high inventory and low absorption, which means that they are undervalued. Rent in Windsor are still strong, so cash flow is possible if you buy right. Most investor-friendly deals are in the range of $350,000 to $500,000 right now. But remember, this isn't the flip and forget era. Run your numbers, plan your exit strategy, and look at duplex conversions or BRRR potential, especially in the underperforming areas with long DOM, that is days on the market. So where are we headed? What does this mean for the next 18 months? Here is my forecast. Expect flat or slightly declining prices through early 2026. Interest rate cuts, maybe mid to late 2026, could heat things up again. Immigration and tight housing supply will keep demand steady in the long run. This is a window, and the window does not stay open forever. So make your move. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, your next move deserves more than just a gut feeling. If you want help analyzing your options, drop a comment or book a strategy call. I am Kemi Raji, your Windsor Insider, and I am here to help you make smart, confident moves in Windsor Real Estate.